Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be sharing what are the things that you have to first do when you have bleeding in your pregnancy. First things to follow when you have bleeding in your first trimester or in your pregnancy. As soon as a pregnant woman sees bleeding or spotting in your pregnancy, they get very much worried. Don't worry. Some things that you have to follow when you have during pregnancy is firstly go to the doctor. Going to the doctor is the best thing when you have bleeding. Even if you have mild spotting also, spotting is completely different and bleeding is completely different. Even if you have spotting or bleeding, it's better to go to the doctor. And bleeding, at least you have to go to the doctor. Bleeding, the doctor will advise you with anything. If there are any complications, the doctor will guide you accordingly. So it is advised first to go to the doctor whenever you have bleeding in your pregnancy. Then second thing is you have to take proper rest. You have to at least stay on bed rest until your bleeding stops. And even once your bleeding stops, you have to make sure that what is the reason that you're having bleeding in your pregnancy. You have to take an ultrasound. Ultrasound is the best option, where you get to know what is the reason that you're having bleeding in your pregnancy. And you have to use sanitary napkins only when you're having bleeding in your pregnancy. No using tampons. And you should avoid the sexual activity also when you have you have to avoid sexual activities also when you have bleeding in your pregnancy. And what I did when I had bleeding in my pregnancy, I also had panicked a lot. To tell you my experience, that even I had panicked a lot. There is nothing to panic. Once you go to the doctor will advise you with the same. I know many people will be very much concerned about their pregnancies. Might be some have conceived with lots of after a lot many years, or the pregnancy is very special to your. If you put stress, it will put again stress to yourself also and to your baby also. Be calm, go to the doctor. Whatever the doctor tells you, have faith in them, and take proper medicines, proper injections. The doctor will give you if there are no chances of miscarriage or anything like that. And the doctor will give you medicines. The doctor will advise you with the injections possible. They will tell you to go on complete bed rest. These are the things you have to follow. There is nothing to worry when you have bleeding in your pregnancy. Every woman gets worried, and even the husband also gets worried. There is nothing. I know even some men are watching these videos, and they even I'm telling you all also, there is nothing to worry. Keep your wife calm. Tell them not to worry and take a ultrasound. Once you get the report, take a guidance from the doctor accordingly. And then what I did, I when I had bleeding in the second trimester of my second month of my pregnancy, that is almost 9 weeks of my pregnancy, I went to an ultrasound. Then ultrasound was done, and then after that the doctor advised me with the injections and everything. I had bleeding in my third month of pregnancy also. Then I had again spotting in my third month of pregnancy. Then again in the 4th month of pregnancy also I had bleeding. And after that, completely, when I went to the anomaly scan, it was confirmed that the whatever reason I was having the bleeding in my pregnancy, that has gone, and I am risk free from that. So you have to keep hope and believe in yourself. Everything will be fine. So these are some of the things that you have to follow first when you have bleeding in your pregnancy. First things, go to the doctor, and then take proper medicine, take proper rest. And some knows, I have shared some videos on that. Some knows in the pregnancy, you have to follow those knows, and then take proper care of yourself. Wishing you all a healthy baby, a healthy pregnancy, to mom and the father if he is watching. Thank you. And if you all like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Even I am in my pregnancy journey, it will be very happy to share my pregnancy journey with you all. Thank you.